Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your AutoCAD version and the active workspace so commands and menus match. Open the Workspace Switching menu or the Customize User Interface, QE, immediately because that's where menu elements live. Once done, export or save your current profile as a backup file, ARG or QX, to avoid losing custom settings. Make sure to keep a copy outside the installation folder, since restoring is much faster than rebuilding when something goes wrong. You now enable or add the actual menu items within CUI. Expand the Menus node, find the target menu or create a new one, and check the box to load it into the workspace. Drag and drop commands, submenus, and separators to arrange hierarchy, and assign macros or command aliases where repetitive tasks exist. Once arranged, transfer the menu to the current workspace or save to a custom. QX so the menu loads every time, and test a few commands to confirm behavior. You finish by loading and testing the menu, run menu load or use QLoad to bring in the QX, then restart AutoCAD so UI changes persist. Test representative commands and nested items, and make iterative tweaks in CUI to fix ordering or missing icons. If things go wrong, restore your exported profile immediately. A key troubleshooting tip: if menus fail to appear, reset the workspace to default, clear the UI cache, or run a repair install. This often restores missing menu elements without rebuilding everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.